Hello everyone, welcome back to lecture 5. In this lecture, we will be taking up a few numerical problems to find even and odd component of a signal. Okay, so the first problem is x of t, it's a continuous time signal. X of t is equal to sin t. X of t is equal to sin t. Okay, uh, what is the aim here? We have to find this signals even and odd component, sin t signals even and odd component. So solution. So what is the formula which we have derived to find even and odd component of a signal? So x e of t, the even component is 1 by 2 times what, x of t plus x of minus t, right? And what about odd component? X o of t is equal to 1 by 2 times x of t minus x of minus t. Okay, so if you observe in both the equations, what we need is x of t, which is already there. Here also x of t, which is already there. But what we need is x of minus t, right? So how do we get x of minus t if we know x of t? So in x of t equation, wherever t is there, we have to replace it by minus t. So we end up with x of minus t, right? So what is x of t? X of t is sin t. And what is x of minus t? X of minus t is sin of minus t, right? And what is sin of minus t? Since it is odd signal, sin of minus t is minus of sin t, right? The thing is, we already know the solution for this, but still we shall verify with the formula what we have derived. Okay, so what is the signal? This signal is actually odd signal, right? Sin t is an odd signal. So what is the even component of this signal? We'll see that. Okay, fine. So x e of t is equal to 1 by 2 times x of t plus x of minus t. So this is equal to 1 by 2 times what is x of t? X of t is sin t plus what is x of minus t? X of minus t is minus of sin t, right? So this is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of plus into minus minus sin t. So this is 0. So therefore even component of sin t is 0. Obvious, right? Because sin t is a odd signal, so even component is 0. So what is the odd component? We will try to find the odd component. So x o of t is equal to 1 by 2 times what is sin t? Sin t is, sorry, what is x of t? X of t is sin t minus what is x of minus t? X of minus t is minus sin t. So minus into minus plus sin t. So x o of t is 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 into 2 times sin t. So 2 cancels out. So therefore odd component is sin t itself, the signal itself. Okay. So even component is 0, but odd component is sin t itself. Why? Because sin t is a odd signal, right? It's obvious, right? And also what is the entire signal? The entire signal is sum of even and odd component. Even is 0 plus odd is sin t, which is equal to sin t. Okay, so x of t is sin t. Even we can verify this condition also. X of t is what? It is the sum of even and odd component of the given signal. So second problem, x of t is equal to cos t. Now we might be already knowing the solution, right? So what is cos t? Cos t is a even signal, so its even component is cos t itself, whereas what is odd component? Odd component should be 0, right? So but still we will try to solve it. So solution, what is even signal x e of t? It is 1 by 2 times x of t plus x of minus t. What is the equation to find odd component? X o of t is 1 by 2 times x of t minus x of minus t, right? So where what is x of t? X of t is cos t, and what is x of minus t? It is cos of minus t, and cos of minus t is cos t, because it's a even signal, right? So therefore even component of this signal is 1 by 2 into x of t. X of t is cos t plus x of minus t. X of minus t is also cos t. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 times cos t. So 2 cancels out. So it is cos t itself. So even component is the signal itself, right? So odd component xo of t is equal to 1 by 2 times x of t is cos t minus x of minus t is also cos t. So this is 0. So therefore odd component xo of t is 0. Next, the problem number 3. So x of t is equal to cos t plus sin t plus sin t cos t. I repeat again. So x of t is cos t plus sin t plus sin t cos t. So what is our aim? Our aim here is to find its even and odd component. So solution. So what is the equation to find even signal even component? Xe of t is 1 by 2 times x of t plus x of minus t. What is the equation to find odd component? Xo of t is what? 1 by 2 times x of t minus x of minus t. Right? So where what is x of t? X of t is the given signal, which is cos t plus sin t plus sin t cos t. And what is x of minus t? So wherever t is there, you have to replace it by minus t in x of t equation, right? And x of t equation is this. So cos of minus t plus sin of minus t plus sin of minus t into cos of minus t. So x of minus t is equal to, what is cos of minus t? It is cos t. What is sin of minus t? It is minus sin t. So minus into plus, this is minus sin t. What is sin of minus t? It is minus. What is cos of minus t? It is cos t. So minus into plus is minus. So this is minus of sin t into cos t. So sin of minus t is minus sin t into cos of minus t is cos t. So minus into plus, we end up with minus. Now we shall plug these two equation, x of t and x of minus t equation, in these two equations. So x even component of t is 1 by 2 times x of t, and what is x of t? X of t is cos t plus sin t plus sin t cos t, right? Plus x of minus t is cos t minus sin t minus sin t into cos t. So plus sin t cos t minus sin t cos t cancels out, plus sin t minus sin t cancels out. Okay, so x even of t is 1 by 2 times cos t plus cos t, it is 2 times cos t. So 2 cancels out, this is equal to cos t. So the even component of the signal is cos t. Okay, now to find odd component, let me start from here. So x o of t is equal to 1 by 2 times x of t, and x of t is cos t plus sin t minus sin t into cos t, minus of this one. So it is minus cos t, minus into minus plus sin t, minus into minus plus sin t cos t, right? So therefore x o of t is equal to 1 by 2 times plus cos t minus cos t cancels out. So sin t I have 2 times sin t. So I made a mistake here. So cos t plus sin t cos t. So here it is minus cos t plus sin t plus sin t cos t, right? So we have sin t it is 2 times sin t. So plus 2 times sin t cos t It is 2 times sin t into cos t, right? So if I take common, 2 common in both the term, 2 is common. So if I cancel out these 2 and here, so I end up with sin t plus sin t cos t. So therefore odd component of the signal is sin t plus sin t into cos t. So basically, you don't have, once you get the even component, you don't have to find the odd component, right? Why? Because as we told, what is the entire signal x of t, it is sum of even component x e of t plus x o of t, right? Now what is the even component we found? It was cos t, this part of the signal, right? And if I add this part of the signal, so I get this x of t, so this is actually odd component, and rest of the signal has to be even component, right? Which is sin t plus sin t cos t, which is here sin t plus sin t cos t, right? So you don't have to find both even and odd component. Either you find odd component, you will get to see the even. If you find even component, you get to see the odd component. Okay, to make use of this result. Fine. Next problem. X of t is equal to 1 plus t cube into cos cube 10t. 1 plus t cube into cos cube 10t. So what is our A? So here we have to find its even and odd component, right? So solution, what is the formula to find even component? X e of t is what? 1 by 2 into x of t plus x of minus t. What is the formula to find odd component? X o of t is 1 by 2 into x of t minus x of minus t, right? So where what is x of t? X of t is 1 plus t cube into cos cube of 10t, right? And what is x of minus t? So in x of t, wherever t is there, I have to replace it by minus t, right? So it is 1 plus minus t cube into cos cube of 10 into minus t, right? So if I simplify this, x of minus t is equal to 1. What is minus t cube? It is minus t, right? So 1 minus t cube. Since it is odd, so I end up with minus t cube itself. So minus into plus, it is minus into. What is cos cube of minus anything into t? It is cos cube of that t, right? Because it is a even signal. So it is cos cube of 10t. Okay. So this is a simplified equation for x of minus t. Now we plug these two equations in even and odd equation. Okay. So x e of t is equal to 1 by 2 times x of t, and what is x of t? It is 1 plus t cube into cos cube of 10t plus x of minus t. X of minus t is 1 minus t cube into cos cube of 10t. This is equal to 1 by 2 times cos cube of 20. I can take common cos cube of 20. If I take common, what I end up with? 1 plus t cube plus 1 minus t cube, right? So plus t cube minus t cube cancels out. So this is 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 times cos cube of 20. 2 cancels out. So therefore, so I end up with even component as cos cube of 10t, right? So what about odd component now? So odd component is, it is actually some the signal is sum of even and odd component. I know the even component. What about the odd component? Odd component, let me write it here, but still we'll solve it. So x o of t is actually t cube into cos cube 10t. This should be our odd component, right? Because 1 into cos cube of 10t is cos cube of 20, which I have. Now t cube into cos cube of 20 is this part, right? Anyhow, we'll solve it. So x o of t is equal to 1 by 2 times. So it is x of t, and x of t is 1 plus t cube into cos cube of 10t, right? Minus of 1 plus 1 minus t cube into cos cube of 20. So again, cos cube of 20 I can take common. X o of t is equal to 1 by 2 into cos cube of 20. So I take common, 1 plus t cube minus 1 minus into plus plus t cube. right? And this is equal to plus 1 minus 1 cancels out, 1 by 2 into, so it is t cube plus t cube, it is 2 times t cube into cos cube of 10t. So 2 cancels out, this end up with x o of t is equal to t cube into cos cube of 10t. So this is the odd component. Fine. We'll take up one more. So problem number 5, x of t is equal to 1 plus t into cos t plus t square into sin t plus t cube into sin t cos t. Okay. So solution, what is our aim? Our aim here is to find its even and odd component, right? So what is the formula to find even component? X e of t is equal to 1 by 2 into x of t plus x of minus t. What is the formula to find odd component? X o of t is equal to what? 1 by 2 into x of t minus x of minus t, right? So where what is x of t? X of t is 1 plus t cos t plus t square sin t plus t cube sin t into cos t. What about x of minus t? Wherever t is there, you have to replace it by minus t. 1 plus minus t into cos of minus t plus minus t square into sin of minus t plus minus t cube into sin of minus t into cos of minus t. So x of minus t is equal to cos of minus t is cos t into minus t. So I end up with 1 minus t into cos t. What about this? Since it is square, so minus t whole square is t square. But since my sin of minus t is minus sin t, I end up with minus of t square into sin t. So this is cube. So minus t cube is minus t, but sin of minus t is minus sin t. So minus into minus plus. So plus t cube into sin t into cos t, because cos of minus t is cos t. So now we shall plug these two equations to find its even and odd component. So x e of t is equal to 1 by 2 times 1 plus, so x of t and x of t is this, t cos t plus t square sin t plus t cube sin t cos t plus 1 minus t cos t minus t square sin t plus t cube sin t into cos t. So which and all the term will cancel out. So 1 plus 1 it retains as it is, plus t sin cos t minus t cos t. So plus t square sin t minus t square sin t. So x e of t is given by 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 times t cube into sin t cos t. So this 2 cancels out. If I take 2 common, this end up with 1 plus t cube sin t cos t, right? So once if I know the even component, I can get the odd component easily. X o of t is what? So I have 1 t cube sin t cos t, I have this term and this term. So rest of the term is t cos t plus t square sin t. So this is the odd component, but don't write it directly. You solve it and write the final answer, okay? Because this might fetch you the marks, okay? Next problem, x of t is equal to e power j t, right? What is the aim here? We have to find its even and odd component, right? So solution. So before we go with the solution, what is actually cos theta in terms of exponential? It is e power j theta plus e power minus j theta divided by 2, right? What is sin theta? Sin theta is e power j theta minus e power minus j theta divided by 2j. Okay, you should know this result. Because we are using this result in this problem, right? So cos theta is e power j theta plus e power minus j theta by 2. Sin theta can be written as e power j theta minus e power minus j theta divided by 2j, right? So solution. So what is even component? X e of t is 1 by 2 into x of t plus x of minus t, right? So where x of t is what? E power j t. X of minus t is what? E power j into minus t, but this is equal to e power minus j t, right? So therefore x e of t is equal to 1 by 2 into x of t is e power j t plus x of minus t is e power minus j t, right? So what is 1 by 2 into e power j t plus e power minus j t? This is nothing but cos t, right? Now what about sin t? Sorry, what about odd component? X o of t is equal to what? 1 by 2 into, the formula is x of t minus x of minus t, right? And this is equal to what? 1 by 2 into e power j t minus of e power minus j t, right? Because x of minus t is e power minus j t. So I can write this as, so what I have is e power j theta minus e power minus j theta by 2j, okay, by 2. Only thing is this j is left. If I take this j to the other side, so I end up with e power jt plus minus e power minus jt by 2, right? So I can write it as j into, why this j? Because this j comes to the other side, sine of t, okay? So this is the odd component, right? So you might be knowing what is e power j theta in terms of sine and cos. It is cos theta plus j into sin theta, right? E power j theta is what? Cos theta plus j into sin theta, where cos theta is actually even and j into sin theta is odd component. So that's what we have. In e power j theta, what is its even component? It is cos theta, cos t, and what is its odd component? J into sin theta, right? Next problem, x of t is equal to sine omega t plus 1 whole square. So what is our aim? Our aim here is to find its even and odd component. So solution. So x e of t, the formula to find even component is 1 by 2 into x of t plus x of minus t. So the formula to find odd component is 1 by 2 into x of t minus x of minus t, right? So where x of t is what? Sine omega t plus 1 whole square, but we shall simplify this, a plus b whole square, right? So a square sine square omega t plus b square plus 2 into a sine square omega t into b is 1, right? And what about x of minus t? X of minus t is what? In x of t equation, wherever t is there, I have to replace it by minus t, right? So sine square omega minus t plus 1 plus 2 into sine square of omega into minus t, right? Mind you, this entire thing is in the angle, right? So x of minus t is equal to what? What is sine? Since sine is an odd signal, it is minus of sine square omega t plus 1. Again, this is minus of 2 into sine, this is not square, right? A square plus b square plus 2a into b, right? Not square. So sine into omega t. This omega t is in the angle. This omega t is in the angle. Now, so this is basically plus. Now, since it is square, this is basically plus, right? Because x square of t is same as x of t whole square, right? So x square of t and x of t whole square both are same. So here it is sine square of omega t can be written as sine square of omega t whole square, right? In this equation, sine square of omega of minus t can be written as sine of omega in the angle minus t whole square, right? And this can be written as what? Sine of minus t is what? Minus of sine into omega t, and square is there, this is whole square, and since minus of square it is plus. Okay, so therefore, so don't get confused, this is basically sine square of omega t plus 1 minus 2 into sine of omega t. Okay, so now therefore what is even component? It is equal to 1 by 2 into x of t, so sine square omega t plus 1 minus 2 into sine of omega t, right, plus x of minus t, it is sine square of omega t plus 1 minus 2 into sine of omega t. This is plus, right, because sine square omega t plus 1 plus, right. So these two cancels out, so I end up with 1 by 2 into, so this is 2 times sine square omega t plus 2, so these two cancels out, this is equal to sine square omega t plus 1. So this is our even component, right. So even component is, where is our x of t? Sine square omega t plus 1 is the even component, right. What is the odd component? So odd component x o of t is the remaining part of the signal, which is 2 into sine omega t. Fine. Take up one last problem, but I'll give you the solution. You try to solve this. Okay. So what is the problem number? It is 8. So 8th problem. So x of t is equal to t into 2 minus t square into 1 plus 4 into t square. So solution. So even component for this signal is 0 and odd component for this signal is the signal itself. This is equal to the signal itself. When I say the signal itself, it is t into 2 minus t square into 1 plus 4 into t square. Okay, try to solve this and take up one more. X of t is equal to 2t square minus 3t plus 6 divided by 1 plus t. This is our signal. I need to find its even and odd component. So its even component xp of t is given by 5t square plus 6 divided by 1 minus t square, and odd component is given by minus 2t cube minus 9t whole divided by 1 minus t square. This is the odd component.